Look for a blue jay to come down here and get it. Oh, he just did. Anyway, another blue jay will be, here he is. See, he's gonna get a peanut. Whoop, there he goes. These blue jays come down real fast and grab a peanut and go back up in the tree. This is the 21st day of July, Sunday. Let's see there, what's on that suet here? Oh yeah, the woodpecker, big woodpecker's on the suet. Let's get a little closer. Yeah, that's a good sized woodpecker. He's getting his suet, man. That's why they call it woodpecker suet. Haven't seen any deer yet today.